Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you quickly one of my favorite instruments. And even though this computer is really nice, this is actually one of my favorite instruments. And I'll show you why. So here I have this little project I've been working on. It's an FM transmitter with a microphone designed to be put into a car intake so that you can amplify the intake sound. That's a story in its own, but check what happens when I turn it on. So you can see the signal here appears, but look at this mess. So there is all of this spectrum is completely now occupied by this device, and it seems to be very unpredictable. Look at it. It sort of the spectrum, all of these lines start appearing in these other places where you can see on this instrument they're clearly not. By the way, this here is the local radio station, and this here is our signal. You can see our signal does appear. It's very tiny compared to the other ones. That's because it's not loud, but if I speak directly into the microphone, you can see it being much bigger. So, and if I turn this off, it sort of looks normal, and you can see back here there's only the radio signal. And just to show you that this is a radio signal from a radio station, I can go back and turn on the audio. Okay, so that's local radio. If we go back and do the same thing, turn this on, you can see yeah, all of that weirdness comes on. And I suspect that's because this type of RTL-SDR dongle just doesn't, because it works in a completely different way than this huge machine, it just can't do the same thing in the same way. So here you go. Using RTL-SDR dongles can be misleading, so be careful about that. What you really want to have is a nice proper spectrum analyzer. In this case, this is a spectrum / network analyzer, but it has the same capability. So to analyze signal, and you can see that we have a perfectly clean signal. It doesn't have all of these crazy sidebands. And if you were designing a system, a radio transmitter, using just this, not having a proper spectrum analyzer, you might be in problem because you wouldn't really know what's going on. And the crazy thing is, all of the side bands are now actually duplicated radio stations. So if you put it here, you can hear the radio station, same, and this is our signal. You can just about hear it. Right? And here you go. Radio station here, what is this here? A radio station as well. But the radio station doesn't exist. Oh look, calibration failure, great. Yeah, here you go.